Yes, viewers. So this event was staged on Sunday, March 10th, which is today, the day of publishing. I did the sound check earlier in the day. It is Swaggrass's 50th birthday celebration, visa and a passport, and the two sound system that were present, Lover's Choice, Big Sound, and Sound Government. Lover's Choice was the first sound to set up. They erected 3 columns. They had 2 amps rack, as we call them, and later on Sound Government came in. They set up also 3 columns with 2 amp racks.
See? She's there doing. Alright, you gotta see it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. There. There. Right there. So, all right. All right. Oh. Look at it. All right. Look at it go. All right, good. All right, get up. Sure. Yeah, Jimmy, yeah, one side. Quis comecei a assistir quando foi? Oh, não. Elvis, run it. So. So, alright. We are so me have it set my door. No, that's all. Give me. Yeah. Overnight here? No. Alright, okay, let's see. Can you do that?
Everyone is.
Bravo!
Anthony Ellis, you know?
Anthony Ellis.
Yeah, man.
OC.
One of the lovers, try.
One of the OC Fat Man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Fat man, you know? And my virgin started from 79.
Oh, yeah, you're Virgin.
Yeah, man, Shem.
Shem.
Mm.
Oh, so you and him still govern off a thing, or are you alone
no,
now?
No, long time. We just started out from King Street and North Street.
King Street and North Street.
Yeah, man, it's have a speaker shop me on Wiz. Everything, you know, in the channel. Then time you know the China thing.
When the sound did build first, was it a rubber dub sound or?
No, man, that's a normal party sound.
Normal party sound from the beginning of time.
Look at somebody there, man. There's a little bombs and little box and things.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but then on the start clash eventually something along the line.
No,
Never clash.
No, it's not a clashing thing.
Why you never do the
defend
clash?
yourself. No, man.
Oh, no,
like
just
that,
defend on yourself.
Mm.
Okay, so a straight party from them time there.
That time there.
Yeah. So how has it been though?
Now, we play soul them time. No people never like soul. And right now, no soul play a dance. You must fight against soul, man. If a Rasta man dance reggae, them say rocker if a Rasta man dance go funky and kind of funky dread.
It has been 40 odd years?
Yeah, for about 45. So.
45 years. And many sounds have come up and disappear. What has kept you going though?
I love it, you know.
Love it. Yeah.
It's a love I give you the strength and the power, you know.
It's a family type of thing because of your son.
Yeah, and then me and my grandson.
And then your grandson, look how legend at all.
Yeah,
so
man,
whole family vibration.
Yeah, man, I said, come on.
How has it been though, trying to keep the thing going over the years? Because we know many sounds have come about and shuttered because probably financial things are probably the drive now did it.
Yeah, we have financial problems still, but it's when you have God in your pocket, everything good.
You would have played alongside all of the big sounds them in the space nowadays. Most of them, yeah?
Yeah, most of them.
Yeah. Which sound outside of your sound you enjoy playing with?
Like Stool now.
Lover's choice. Fat man, don't worry yourself, cause everything alright. And Dennis Brown, they have to sing live now for Lover's Choice, people.
Lover's choice, man, big up on yourself. Come in, Dennis Brown. Lover's choice working out on the case. Give me some delay on the voice for lover's choice.
Lover's choice.
I've been watching you all night from over in the corner. Hey, one little flick of your wrist and you know I'd come over. See, here I am, what you gonna do? Lover's choice is playing for two. The way that you're bubbling, it seems you've got plans for me too. Hey, the way that you're bubbling, it seems you've got plans for me too. When our eyes met for, I knew there could be a chance, Lord, that this evening could have ended with more than just a dance.
Lover's choice.
Say the words and we'll fly away. Nature is calling and just can't wait. Lover's choices are playing for us tonight. Hold on. Lover's choice is playing for us tonight. Baby, whoa. Lover's choice. Whoa.
Judgment's not good. Lover's choice, tell them to spurt. This last Lover's choice. When me say, me sing, how long them think them have the loss of wind and evil's mind and them corrupted heart. Me ask, long them think them have the loss, I so and thunderbolt, all the whole city lost. Me sing, I'm like the rain where I go a shaft the mouth. I'm like the sun fi make Babylon scorch. I'm like the wind where I go blow away the chaff. Enough of them a move with them corrupted earth. Enough of them a serpent, yes, on the cross. In front of you, you know what be a sweet talk. But behind your back, the mouth that you go. Yeah, and so great and sound great. I'm a praise in the city for a giant mountain of a soul. And this is Mount. Yeah, and so great and sound great. I'm a praise in the city for a giant mountain of a soul. And this is Mount Zion, the side of a north. Lover's choice. Rastafari, lover's choice. Yes, Mr. Worm. Clarendon, my love.
This is Lover's band to pick up Mikey Lover's choice.
Judgment in the earth. Lover's choice, tell them to spurt. This last year, and I like the last year, I live it every time. When me say, me sing, how long them think them have the loss of wind and evil's mind and them corrupted heart. Me ask, long them think them have the loss and I so and thunderbolt, all the whole city lost. Me sing, I'm like the rain where I go a shop the mouth. I'm like the sun fi make Babylon score.
And let's on about the Lover's Child sound station, Soundcheck right now, alright?
For them a move for them corrupt.
I don't want to big up, teach them.
Them a serve.
And then make the message I reach them.
In front of you, say no what they.
I big up the whole teach them family on the ground.
You back them out that you go just. So be careful how you walk and be careful how you talk.
Lover's choice.
Lover's
Lover's choice son.
This is none other than to pick up
Lover's
Mikey
choice
Lover's
sound,
choice.
the people sound, the people choice. I wanna take back them talk there. No argument none of that. He that someone from town or country, don't try to taste my sound. No, no, this a Lover's choice sound. Stand your home. You coulda come from Rima or you come from Jungle. Coulda come from Firehouse or you come from Tower. That sound, that is Lover's choice sound.
Lover's choice.
You know, you coulda come from Libya or you come from America. Coulda come from Europe, you come from Africa. One sound, a Lover's choice sound. You coulda be a Irishman or a Englishman. Coulda be a Mexican or with a Pakistan. One sound, Lover's choice sound. Hey mate, boy, I want you get me straight. Lover's choice is great, boy. I might want Lover's choice sound is great blood. Hey gov, a Lover's choice sound, yes the massive them love. Hey blow, you feel no say bread and a joke. You coulda come from
You can't to them fool over there about them names son. Lover's choice can send them to them yard, yeah? Now hear this.
Lover's
No,
child.
no, no. Can't test Lover's choice and you know now. Did you hear that? No, no, no.
Hey, brother, you hear me? Fat man boss in a bomb.
Lover's choice gonna kill
You know
the
gunman son,
massive
Lover's choice son. Lover's choice. Catch it alive.
Yeah, tell you.
Boss, enough big up fear and respect. Easy.
Lover's choice. Catch it alive.
Killing a sound is so easy to do. And that's what Lover's Choice gonna do to you. It is not good for you to test this sound. It doesn't pay for you to stick around. When you find a sound that is good to you, Lover's Choice sound that's gonna murder you.
So you the Lover's Choice, keep the fire blazing the track of Soundcheck.
For you to test this sound. It doesn't pay for you to hang around.
Go easy now, brother.
Brother,
Lover's Choice sound.
hey brother, yeah, yeah, man.
Murder them. On it. I'm not into cameras, they tell me to come. They go listen, Lover's Choice, just to show them down. Ooh wee, shoodly waddly diddly whoa. Scene, cause I'm broad, we're broad, Lover's Choice, broader than Broadway. I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Over the oceans and over the sea, all of the girls them vote for we. Ooh wee, shoodly waddly diddly shoodly daddly diddly woodly whoa.
Look at shoot him up. Sure.
Hey, sound getting slow. Hey, we don't take no interview. Hey, well, Lover's Choice on you are done. Them the boy are done, have Lover's Choice are done. No ling one, no, are done. Them the boy are done, have Lover's Choice are done. See, Lover's Choice are done. They are done, Havana. Lover's Choice are done. They are done, Havana. Lover's Choice are done. They are done, Havana. Hey, 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 hey. They dance now, rum till Lover's Choice and win the lawn.
Lover's Choice, but tell them say how we said,
I want to big up the whole hardball family on the ground right now. Just go on and big up, alright?
Lover's Choice, kill them a west. We play
DJ Andre there.
this is big contact.
Feel me yard on the ground, just go on and big up.
Questions, true. Lover's Choice are done.
And it's all about the teach them media.
Lover's Choice are done.
Them day up on the ground and teach them.
Lover's Choice are done.
Let the message reach them.
Havana. Hey, hey, hey.
It's Lover's Choice Sound Government tonight. Visa and a passport, alright?
Hey, jump and you me.
All courtesy of Swag Rasta and the whole family.
Staying. Hey, you misunderstand.
We call this the sound station identification.
That we're the one.
I want us to go and represent some song. We represent the sound.
I murder them, no in a competition. We're the done. Them the boy are done, have all of us are done.
Squeeze it. But the people. Hey, well the youth them in love with themselves.
Lover's Choice, but tell them say how we said, yeah.
Hey, all the babe and the suckling self. Hey, what you know? Oh yes, the place bus. Anytime we string up, Lover's Choice must say turn it up. The dirty words we come out, we not take it up. Cause we know that the youth them listening, the Lover's Choice you too bad. And the way you get it, and the way you learn it, I will show you too bad. And the way you get it, and the way you learn it, the people them say, ayo. And the sound boy, this gets slow.
Follow we know. Alright then. And this is Tommy and Virgo standing on the floor. Lover's Choice, kill a sound boy for sure. For sure. Hey, listen this, sound boy, listen this. Well, like my money now we packing up tune for play. And sound boy a ball for mercy. War time. Lover's Choice, I go kill them anytime. Alright. It's like the sun don't shine for them no more. Gunshot fly to them door. Fly to them door. Hey, sound boy, you gonna get poor. Lover's Choice, I gonna take your life. Bad for your mother, your picnic and your wife. Take your life. Kill you in a night and in a broad daylight, boy, we take your life. boy tired. Lovers choice gonna kill them tonight. Yes, we've been waiting, so we're gonna kill them all night. Yes, sound boy we, my lovers choice play this sound boy gonna.
I just want about the Lovers Child sound from Kingston 13, Walton Park. You see that sound, yeah?
Because we're way too powerful. The sound boy can't do.
Now in a real life, you know what the thing going on. From them time until now, you see me? Lovers Choice, from back in the 70s to the 80s until now. They are seeing we are still a play, alright? You don't know if you want about the sound, you just check it out. You know, it's all about brother from Lovers Choice. You know, you go up on the Instagram, you see me, brother from Lovers Choice, see him we up on the TikTok, you see me? You know, all of the number them there, all of the information them there. So if you want about the sound, you know, this there, you can call 843-33-27. Alright? So teach them, you know, you make the message and reach them, you know, so play what that one again now. This is the one Roman Virgo talking about Lovers Choice sound. Ready?
Sound boy tired. Lovers Choice gonna kill them tonight. Yeah.
I tell you.
We've been waiting, so we're gonna kill them all night.
Oh, you say Roman?
Sound boy we, my Lovers Choice play this dub. Sound boy gonna.
Hey, Scoop, I don't know who sang the artist I do. Women are fan dub, I swear.
Yeah.
Lovers Choice here.
Way too powerful. The sound boy can't diss, and we're more than powerful. When we shoot in a miss, Lovers Choice way too powerful. Lovers Choice gonna kill them with this dub, this dub. Them sound they are big. So
this is none other than to pick up mighty Lovers Choice.
Brother, partner, Andre. Whoa, 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 Lovers Choice, yes, yes. Your brother killing at the sound boy, Batman killing at the sound boy. Whoa, yes, yes. Lovers Choice killing at the sound again. Another selector just shame. His sound messed up, selector bad. Sound boy feeling pain. Lovers Choice, now I'm none good fi tell you. Your brother I kill you because you play confused. Your sound don't lose. You play like a jumping sound, and just like an earth in Shanama, a fat man kill all sound on ya. Sound boy no pay frustration. You know Lovers Choice rules the nation. Sound boys not worry. Andre, take all your glory. Lovers Choice for the dub they're looking for. Sound boy dead in the war. We're killing the sound in here tonight. Lovers Choice gonna take a life. You know we're killing the sound in here tonight. Lovers Choice a killer, and we never lose the fight. No,
Lovers
Choice. Don't know what them playing. Your brother just kill them fast. Catch you them play confused. Them sound don't lose. Them sound so want to come then last.
Well, them not the young way kids, yeah. Yeah, I wear the good Lord split, yeah. Lovers Choice. Well, Choice does kill a sound anywhere. But push her in the square. Selectors on the run. Now tell me this. Cause them not spend no quality time making those bitches so fine. Them always have something I know. That simple mean them sound not true. Bend this one wall you. I can lick them in a part two. And them will have the whole crew. When and all a screw. Lovers Choice tell them this. If Lovers Choice so nice. Tell me why you kill a sound boy so bad. But if Lovers Choice so nice. Tell me why a sound boy sad. Again if Lovers Choice so nice. Tell me why we kill a sound boy so bad. But if Lovers Choice so nice. Tell me why a sound boy sad.
Hold on, idiot. Rise I up this morning, thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, Lovers Choice play another dub go number one. Cause the time is so perilous, and some crash gets so dangerous. In this time you don't know who to trust. Lovers Choice, but it's so easy.
Lovers Choice.
Give thanks and praise. Jah every day. It's so easy to kill a song boy, every time that we play. Oh no, that's the hint of the weight, and the King of Glory shall come in. And the old will come and lift it up, his everlasting doors. And I know that Jah flourish, so that's I say I free. So I believe your fist shall go along his way and sing that it's so easy. Give thanks and praise, Jah every day. Said it's so easy. Kill a song boy every time that we play.
I wonder if them know so Lover's Choice is the world's greatest sound, man. Play for the girls, them all around, man. Anthony Cruz, man. We have nothing to lose, man. Bust it pan them. Bust it pan them.
Lover's choice. Lover's choice. Lover's choice. This is none other than to pick up mighty Lover's choice.
Stay awake just to hear you playing. Lover's choice playing. No one is sleeping. Nobody far away dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment, Lover's choice play. The world is gonna treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, and I don't wanna fall asleep. Lover's choice I play, and I don't wanna miss a day. The lady's gonna dream of you. The sweetest dreams will never do. Lover's choice I play.
Yeah. Lover's choice, sunshine has come. A songboy cried out, there's no more rain in these clouds. Lover's choice, sunshine has come. And I'm a cried out, oh, there's no more rain in these clouds. There's no hiding place when lover's choice I play. Well, it's written on your face, yeah. Broken sound, lost and confused, empty them, used and abused. Them a fool, yeah. Oh, it's funny how the way you feel shows and written all over your face. The true lover's choice play, you just get.
Yo, Lover's Choice, remember. Only Jim Ira could have drawn to sing them song. Remember me I tell you, see what I say? Consider yourself blessed and lucky.
Yeah. Lover's choice, sunshine has come. A songboy cried out, there's no more rain in these clouds. Lover's choice, sunshine has come. And I'm a cried out, oh, there's no more rain in these clouds. There's no hiding place when lover's choice I play. Well, it's written on your face, yeah. Broken sound.
You know, our brother from Lover's Choice I represent, see? I know I represent for teach them. I made the message I reach them, alright? So I've been around from 1979.
1979. What
so
years that you know?
Officially, 45 years.
Yeah.
So them time I never born it when the sound starts.
Born come see the sound.
Born come see sound.
Yeah man, and the sound is a juggling sound, class sound or both.
Alright, mostly a juggling sound, but you know we clash. We have Soundcheck and clash, but a juggling sound. Yeah, we different ourselves.
Yeah man.
But we are juggling sound.
What is sound base?
35 Walton Park Road, at a Kingston 13.
So the promoters them out there now who want to get in touch how them reach you know.
Alright, so the promoter them want book Lover's Choice sound, you know it's all about brother from Lover's Choice on Instagram. Same thing on TikTok, brother from Lover's Choice. Or you can call 843-3327. 843-3327 or 882-6384. 882-6384.
Lock it. Lock it. Next one. Alright, next column. Long this one.
See? Microphone check, sound check. I used to crazy, you know, female, original from a long time. Go on, big up myself. Swag Ross, the promoter, and the whole promotional team, just go on, big up.
Hey, no, for me, the voice as I represent the Sound Government and DJ Ramos.
Yeah, man, you know, a DJ government, you know, sound government. You don't know, sound government, sound. Road shellers.
Yeah, we're on the base.
Base in Anatown, in Western Kingston.
Western Kingston.
Jamaica.
Yeah, how long now we sound there on?
Professionally, we'd say from about 2007.
Oh, 7.
Yeah.
So it's a juggling or is a juggling and class sound?
No, it's a straight juggling
Straight
sound,
juggling
not a class
sound. Okay, cool man. So for the promoter them out there, how them reach you?
You can contact me, number 876-375-4265, or you can go on IG, DJ Government _Sheller, Facebook, Davel Smith.
As I represent the Sound Government and DJ Ramos.
1. Yo, check 1. Audio check 1. Hey, no sound check 1. Audio check 1. Sound check audio 1. Sound government check. You know it going on. You know 2 sound string up in Ireland. You know sound government sound. And you don't know Lover's Choice sound. Look more, you know the niceness go around here. You understand? Because the promoter, you know the code. Swaggrass, thing called visa in a passport. You understand? Because the Almighty. So you know those there. Sound check. Remember people, teach them on the ground. You know, even make the message and reach them. Big up in the house, teach them. You understand? Sound government sound. You know I represent for the whole West Kingston. You understand? You know it go. So, look more a problem in Ireland.
I represent the Sound Government and DJ Ramos. As I represent the Sound Government and DJ Ramos.
Yeah, man, I represent for Rochella Stone. I'm going to say Ramos, Government, Volcano, Rochella, Madison, Body Stone. You hear that?